Meaning, a farmer manage hundreds of acres but not working. They are using the technology. That kind of technology can detect apprentices and analyze the soil health. What kind of technology is it? It's a drone. That kind of technology was not just can fly at the sky, but that can change the fate of the farmers. How? Drones can help farmers to improve their farm with improving the result in the fast way. And now I'm here to tell about two aspects of using drones in agriculture, which is about time and energy saving and feature in agriculture. To understand how drones can save time and energy, let's look at more detail. One of the most powerful advantages of using drones in technology in agriculture is the amount of time saved. Tasks that used to take farmers hours or days can be settled by a drone, just a fraction of the time. Drone camera can scan the hundreds of acres just a few minutes. They can also help with rapid detection and also help farming to make quick decisions. And next, we go to the save energy. Different with save time. Save energy, unlike the traditional agriculture technology machinery like tractors, because they are using a large amount of fuel. Different with a drone, because drones are lightweight and powerful. And you already know about technology can be improved to advance. You already know about saving time and energy. Now let's look ahead about future of agriculture. For the future, we already know the technology can be improved and advanced, similar like a drone that can be improved and integrated by AI and machine learning. Then, the drone can be a fast and smart decision for helping the farmers. Furthermore, apart from analyze data, the feature of drone will also be upgraded to more precise drone spray function. This advancement will also make drone more affordable, bring high-tech agriculture, not just for large farm. Small and medium farm can also get the benefit of using drone in agriculture for the future with the affordable price and easy to maintain. That what the drone can do in agriculture. Now let's finish with some summary. I outlined just about two aspects of drone in agriculture, which is about time and energy saving and feature in agriculture. Drone will be very important in agriculture. I believe drone will be a big thing in agriculture. More farmers will be use drone. They are smart assistants that make farming better for everyone. That's it for me. Thank you.